shit! What going on now, people? You saw Mark on a biscuit? Subscribe. You see it good? Alright. Quick and fast before we play the movie. You see if you're new to the channel, welcome. See? You see if you're old, nobody not old on the channel. All if you're 65, 70, 80, you're not old. See? Because when I watch Maggy Films, I get back younger, you know. See? Yeah, man. You feel refreshed when I watch Maggy Films, man. Alright? Anyway. So as I say, if you're new, welcome. I just want to make the authentic movie them, the real authentic Jamaican movies. And some movies I never see before, right? So you see, in order for me build the channel and go to some better movies, I beg you, please subscribe, right? It don't need someone, it's free, you know. All it go do, when you press it, you now full up your phone, you know. So when you press it, it go send you one notification, right? Say, me drop one new movie. That's all, you know. That's all. I remember so I always enjoy the movie them, right? So, you don't want to miss it. So, subscribe now, man. It's free, right? Anyway, I'm there in a cane piece. When I done me a chop piece of cane. You don't know. Subscribe, see? Now hold on up. See there? Subscribe mark on it. Hold on. Back and front, me I do this thing here, you know. About Granny episode 3, see? Yeah.
Bad Granny.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
lady? Can I have some of your water? As from today, you will forever eat hands.
You don't know what you have done to me, you old evil wicked witch. I'm gonna find you. Thank God.
It's you again. You're back again. You have become a grown woman now.
Don't you come any closer. I will punish you. just like I did when you were a little girl.
I need you to bring me back to 80. Yes. Because the police take away my broom, the long one, and I need it back. Don't worry about it. I can meet you where your boat is. I already have the money. Don't worry about it. Yes, because I need back my tall broom. I will meet you there. Yes. I already have the money. Don't worry about it. I always have money. Okay. I'll be there. Very sharp. Early you will see me. I am coming. Bye.
Yeah, you know, so me there I'm a G. There I wait for an old lady here. Bring her over so already see me, you know. I'm gonna carry her again see me, although she look kinda creepy still, but you know, I food where I work for see me, you know, so don't know a part I hustling down. Real me G, man. So I there they go on easy see me, you know. Don't know a thing set in man. Bring her over there already and we are take her on the work again, you know. Yeah, man, so you don't know a thing set, man. So if anything when I come back, man, we link you up, see you, man, make you know what I'm going down. Real my father, man. You know, everything active, you know. Right, that's it. Yeah, man. Know everything set, man. Couple of burner them want to get to me across the water, you know. You know the thing set. Straight to 80 we are going, man. So if I not we link up when we come back, you know the thing set. Food we say, you know. Yeah, man. Right, that's stuff. But anyway, we link up in my general car. You see auntie are coming now, you know. Alright, my naka. Yeah. But anyway, auntie, where you got so much bag, man? Where you got so much bag, auntie? ready for going on a boat now? But anyway, where food? I don't know I work, you know. We have to have a food before we do anything, you know. Want the food, auntie, you know. Far we are going, you know. To make sure say food right. Yes, I like food, this auntie. I mean, auntie, come on now. Boat there, wait, you know. Why, one thing though, this old man slow him, man. Watch him, man. So what I'm doing this about auntie? Put it over, you know. Oh. Pick up the anchor. Alright. So auntie, how so much money you did have for you, man? Can't get some of my money, man. Far where I come from, you know.
Hello?
Hello?
Who am I speaking to?
This is Sergeant Vassell, the policeman that came there the other day.
The police.
Yes. No man, I'm a sergeant man. I recently got promoted. I'm a sergeant. Yes man. For the good work I do man. But I want to thank your feet too, but you know. Yes. Anyway, listen to me. Why me have to talk loud, you know, but
Where are you calling my phone? Oh,
I need you to come down the station tomorrow. Tomorrow, yes. I need to collect a statement from you. Right. Yes. That police station. And make sure you're here, okay?
you want me to come by you, by the station, and give a statement? Okay. Tomorrow morning? Okay. Remember, that I cannot walk that fast, you know, so it's going to take a while for me to reach down there.
Alright? It's very important. I need to collect it. Okay?
Yes. Okay. I am coming.
Alright. Take care. Bye-bye.
Sarge, lady out front for give a statement. You know.
Which lady?
The old lady, man, if you get a statement.
Oh, yes, man. Send her. Hold on, yeah. Send her in, but hold on there. Carry them for me run an exhibit. Pan them for me and make sure you put them up carefully.
Yes, Sarge.
Alright? Alright. Then send her run for me.
This side, big man. Sarge, we see you now. My bad.
Granny, what's up, man? Oh, finally, man, eh? Make your way down. Have a seat there for me. You can manage? Alright. Take your time, take your time. So what are you doing now?
I'm okay.
Yeah, put your bag there, so man. Put your bag in the other seat. Nobody not sitting there, so just put your bag over there, so. Yeah, man, thank you for coming, man, because what happened recently up at your place there, you know? We come in need you for, you know, collect a statement from you regarding the incident the other day. You can hear me good?
What did you say just before?
No, I said I'm glad you came down here.
Okay.
You know, for me to collect a statement from you regarding the incident at your place the other day.
What incident you're talking about? I don't know what you're talking about. What are you talking about?
With the young man that came in your house, man, you remember?
Oh!
Right.
I just remember what you're talking about now.
Right.
That idiot.
Yes, you know exactly what I'm talking. Alright, you like your memory I come back.
Yes.
We have him here, you know. Even in cell we call it dungeon around this up. Sarge! Sarge, nothing enough. And when you're dark, when he come out, he have to take him while before him I adjust.
Dungeon?
So we call it round a man, one dark cell round there, so we have the boy, man.
Yes, you must hold him for 25 years because that boy is a very bad boy.
Troublemaker, man.
You know, he touched me on my breast and he was scratching right there. I have to slap him on his hand.
Good, that is the reason why I tell you to come and give a statement, because we can slap him with some charge, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Because them call that a sugar. Or a sugar when they touch you, a sugar.
Oh, yeah, I say. So a boy go in your house and him touch you. Hold on, let's tell him exactly where him touch you.
They say when somebody touch you and you didn't tell them to touch you, that is a sugar.
Well, we call it assault. Anyway, where him touch you? Let's tell me why him then.
He touched me on my breast. He's
What?
very rude. And then he scratched my ass. I just slapped him on his hand. He's a very rude little boy. I don't like him.
Yeah, man, right. And your buttocks?
Yes, he
And in your breast too?
on my breast and he tore my bra. Yes, that's what he did to me.
You don't like him again, be serious, man, in your bra?
Yes.
Him not come out of here, man.
And then you know what? He came into my house and stick me up with a long
No, me have all of that.
thing.
Me have all of them evidence.
A long black thing. I don't know what you call it, but he stick me up with like a long black thing and
No,
another
man,
short
don't worry
one.
yourself. Me have all of those evidence here.
Yes.
So don't worry. So anything else you like to add there, I mean, you know?
I wanted to let him stay in there because I do not like him. He must stay in there and rotten.
Alright, Granny, don't worry yourself. Never try help you because trust me, we need to get people like them that are off of the street.
He
Because them is a
threatened me.
news. You can't imagine.
He threatened me.
Him can't go out. He come like him losing his crew.
He threatened me.
Tell me exactly how him threaten you. Exactly, because me have to write it down in word exactly how it go. Exactly what he said. Alright? How him threaten you.
Okay? The first time when he came there, he told me that the next time he's coming, he's going to bring his dogs with him. So I was wondering if he have a lot of mongrels. But I went down the road and somebody told me that it's not the real dog with 4 foot. It's some 2-foot dog, and I'm so scared.
All right, Miss Williams. I want to thank you very much for coming here. Give me all this information to put on my case file. So it's when court time come, I have all of this information ready. Okay?
By the way, how did you get my number?
We're the policeman. Don't worry about that. Actually, we can get what we want. All right?
Can I leave now?
Yes, man.
You're keeping up my time, you know.
No, man, don't worry, man. We thank you for coming.
I have something very important to get done. I have some things to buy in the market.
Yeah, man. Just have a good day.
Okay, can you help me? I need to get up.
No, man, no worries, man. Let's help you up there. My poor granny, I got you stressing. All right, yeah, man. Let's take your time.
Thank you very much, my son.
Yeah, man. Take your time.
I wish you all the best in life.
All right, granny.
And I hope I don't see your face again.
All right, Miss Williams.
Okay.
My gosh. My granny wanted to choke off, man. Jesus, she's gonna change her clothes. Hey, young boy. Reed, Constable Reed.
Yes, sir.
Come on here, come here. Reed.
Yes, Sarge.
You know what? I need the 2 weapons I just gave you to tag them because I forgot I did not properly tag them before I gave it to you. So I need to tag them to put them back in there for me. All right?
Why, Sarge, we have a local situation, you know. 16, it's there, you know, sir. But unfortunately, the Glock is nowhere inside, sir. Me I wonder if it's a dopey pass through place. You don't see it.
I just gave you the guns.
So now, may I try to show you,
Hold
sir?
on. So you didn't put away the guns I just gave you?
Yes, I did, sir, but when the lady there come through, sir, it's like, I don't know what happened, sir, but it's like...
What you say to me? This is, hold on, a gun is missing. I just gave you 2 guns and 1 missing.
Yes, Sarge.
How is that possible?
Sarge, I don't know, Sarge.
What do you mean I don't know? I just gave you 2 guns. So how on earth the guns are missing? That don't make any sense.
But Sarge, may I try to show you, Sarge?
That's bullshit, man. What are you telling me?
All right,
Sure,
then,
no,
Sarge,
sir.
come
Come on,
come
show me what
look
it-
for yourself, Sarge, because you're not believe me.
This is... Where put the guns?
This side, Sarge.
Christ. What kind of foolishness? Sure. I can't believe it. You give people some directive and something like that is so serious. Eh? I could lose everything because of this foolishness. Why them young police? Listen, man, it can't go some man. But then again, me have a look at like a damn stupid. I can't even run a station. We are going to rectify this now. How are we going to solve this now? I don't know where them get them. Hello? Yes. God. Why me have a little situation here, man, I tell you. I said this place I run like I want, I never know, like I want party shop. Yeah, man. Yes, but me tell you what happened still. One of them little probation I then give me, I for go and work with me. Imagine, me give the guy two of the guns they put in the pan. And by the time he come there, so me interview somebody and come back, he go tell me, say, one of the gun missing. Eh? But we know that. Yes, it's gonna look bad. We're going to have problems. All these things that go around the place now and then all of a sudden this could happen now. Boy, I don't know, you know. Boy, like, if you don't believe in how we're believe in it now. I know. Listen, I wonder who really evaluate them new police here. How would the man to see then? Jesus. No, man, but no. I can't tell Soup that. But you know better. Eh? If him ever know a problem for me, so me have to go try so me can do and either try find where it there so we can go report it to him. You don't know that. I'm going to find a way to get rid of him, that boy. I don't even trust him. I don't know where he come from. As I said before, I don't know who evaluate him. I forgot to try to find a way to get rid of him. I don't trust him. He looks like him, I don't trust him. He can't just miss a gun, so. Anyway. Yes, alright. Yeah, man, I forget you, but I might. But hold it down, you know. Please. You know, me I stay. Alright? I said nothing. Can't be no problem. Alright, cool. Yeah, man. Jesus, nice boy.
I see you in the next life. Bye. See you in the next life. I told you before and I will tell you again. Bye.
I'm gone again. What is the lad? I'm gone again. What is the lad? Another person. Jesus Christ, boy. Wait there. What you say though? What you have to offer? What you can?
Sir, I know who caused the chaos in the community.
Look here. A couple of people come here already and tell me and Leeds it not reach nowhere.
Sir, me know.
You sure about that?
Yes, sir, we can. But I know directly where the person, but if I carry me on the street and I see a person, we can identify the person.
Boss, we can't have a wild goose chase thing, you know.
No.
Serious matter this thing.
Serious thing, sir. Because right now, I am of the belief that my friend that went missing, I just strongly believe that she do it as well.
Wait there. Super. But I'm at a crime scene, you know. Boy, you're not gonna believe this, boss. 2 hand them missing like first. The first case them. Yes, boss. So, you know what happened? Me think, me have an understanding of what exactly happened. Me have to do a little more investigation. Alright, I mean I get back to you. I get to you with result, my boss. I think I have an idea what I'm going. You know, must go like what I think, you know. But I have an idea, you understand? Yes, sir. Alright. Yeah, man, just give me a little time, man. I'll deal with it. Right away. Alright, my boss. Okay, so. Alright. Scenes of crime. A phone of time. Come deal with this, sir. You know what? I just walk in here. I walk to the community, I know about that drive.
You hungry? I'm gonna eat mine. Cruz? Are you hungry? Cruz, I am coming. I can give you a hand. I am coming. You need something to eat? I am coming. Cruz, I can give you another hand. I know you love it. I am coming. Yeah. I have another hand for you, Cruz. I am coming. I know you love the first one that I give to you. Huh? You like it? I am coming. Oh, yes, yes. I know you're ready. You need something to eat. Hey, hey, I know you love it. It's very nice. I'm gonna get another one for you another day. You like it. Hey, bye. Bye, Cruz. I see you next time. You finish eat your food? You want more?
Something about that old man and alright.
You need to shut up.
What?
Shut up inside there.
Shut up. How should I talk to? Shut up. What's that? Who? Huh? Shut up. How should I talk to? You look like she see me, man. As me I walk past her, she gone in. You must see me, man. You have to see me.
See you later. I'm gonna hunt that wicked witch. That wicked old witch. I am going to hunt her.
Right, what are we doing? What is that? G, ja, boy. Super. Super, yes. Why am I there on a little scene here, man? A little crime scene here. You would not believe this, boss. It's same pattern. Yes, same. No, I don't know, boss. Boy, super, you know, so this suspect when me have lock up because of this. You know, why I don't know, things in a look so. Anyway, me auntie something in the soup, me auntie something right away. You know what me go do? Yes, me go send you the location. Yes, man, and just send the rest of the team. Yes, boss, because me auntie something right now. I can't too tired, but yes, me go send the location. Because me auntie something, alright? Can't tired, yeah, me send it.
I'm back. You old witch. Where are you? I'm back. You wicked witch.
Here there.
Where?
Yeah, you have gun. Yeah. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh,
It seems like you've been following me for a very, very long time. Oh, you're gone.
lady shot me Superman, the old lady. Miss Williams, the same old lady there with the gentleman that say she. And we have a wrong man in our prison, man. A wrong man with hole. Yes, Super. Yes, man, that old woman there. Super, me not idiot, man. Me say the old woman. The old woman shot me. Wait, so I call you a laugh, Soup. No believe me? The old woman shot me, man. Miss Williams, the same old lady there. That the young man. Anyway, just send paramedics and send it back up there, man. Check your location. Believe me, man. I believe me, no. She. Alright, Super.